Russia, the largest country in the world, filled with breathtaking landscapes, historic cities, and stunning natural wonders. From snow-capped mountains to fairy tale villages, Russia has it all. In today's video, we're taking you on a journey to explore the top 15 most beautiful places in Russia. Number 15, the Trans-Siberian Railway. No Russian adventure is complete without experiencing the Trans-Siberian Railway. This legendary train journey takes you across the vast landscapes of Russia, from Moscow to Vladivostok, offering breathtaking views along the way. Number 14, Lena Pillars. A jaw-dropping natural rock formation along the Lena River, these towering stone pillars are millions of years old and create an otherworldly landscape like no other place on Earth. Number 13, the Putarana Plateau. A UNESCO-listed natural wonder, the Putarana Plateau is one of Russia's most remote regions, featuring dramatic waterfalls, deep canyons, and untouched wilderness, a paradise for adventure photographers. Number 12, Peterhof Palace. Often called the Russian Versailles, Peterhof Palace is a magnificent estate with grand fountains, golden statues, and breathtaking gardens. A true symbol of Russian royalty. Number 11, Vladivostok. This port city on the Pacific Ocean is known for its stunning bridges, vibrant nightlife, and panoramic views. The Russky Bridge is one of the longest cable-stayed bridges in the world. Number 10, the Golden Ring. A group of historic towns northeast of Moscow. The Golden Ring is famous for its medieval churches, charming villages, and rich cultural heritage. It's like stepping into a Russian fairy tale. Number 9, Altai Mountains. A hidden gem for nature lovers, the Altai Mountains boast picturesque lakes, lush forests, and breathtaking hiking trails. The turquoise waters of Lake Teletskoye make this region feel like a dream. Number 8, Kazan. Known as the third capital of Russia, Kazan is a city where Eastern and Western cultures merge. The Kazan Kremlin, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcases a unique blend of Islamic and Orthodox architecture. Number 7, Sochi. A beautiful resort city on the Black Sea coast, Sochi is famous for its beaches, ski resorts, and the 2014 Winter Olympics. Whether you're looking for summer relaxation or winter adventure, Sochi has something for everyone. Number 6, Kiji Island. Located in Lake Onega, Kiji Island is home to the Kiji Pogost, a breathtaking wooden church built without a single nail. This architectural wonder is a must-see for history lovers. Number 5, Kamchatka Peninsula. A land of volcanoes, geysers, and untouched wilderness, Kamchatka is one of the most remote and stunning regions of Russia. Here you'll find Valley of Geysers, one of the largest geothermal fields in the world. Number 4, Mount Elbrus. Adventure seekers, this one's for you. Mount Elbrus, the highest peak in Europe, offers breathtaking views and thrilling climbing experiences. Whether you're an experienced mountaineer or just enjoy scenic landscapes, this mountain won't disappoint. Number 3, St. Petersburg. Often called the Venice of the North, St. Petersburg is a city of art, culture, and stunning architecture. The Winter Palace, the Hermitage Museum, and the beautifully lit streets make it one of the most romantic places in Russia. Number 2, Lake Baikal. Next, we visit Lake Baikal, the deepest and oldest freshwater lake on Earth. Surrounded by snow-covered peaks and crystal-clear waters, this natural wonder transforms into a frozen paradise in winter and a lush green retreat in summer. Number 1, Red Square, Moscow. Our journey reaches its pinnacle at the heart of Russia, Red Square in Moscow. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to the iconic St. Basil's Cathedral, with its colorful onion domes, and the Grand Kremlin, a historic fortress that has witnessed centuries of Russian history. And there you have it, the top 15 most beautiful places in Russia. From historic landmarks to stunning natural wonders, Russia is a country full of breathtaking sights waiting to be explored. Which place would you love to visit first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Driftline Dreams for more amazing travel content.